Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss one of the interesting real-life applications of binomial distributions. Let us see. The problem title is Amazing Probability Results, Boys versus Girls in Families. Let us consider, let us consider the given state out of 800 families. Let us consider the given statement is out of 800 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have? First question is probability of 2 boys and 2 girls, and second one is at least 1 boy, third one is at most 2 girls, and last one is children of both sexes. That means probability of children of both sexes. Assume that equal probabilities for boys and girls. Okay, so what is given? So here in each family there are 4 children, right? So each family having 4 children, which means we consider that is n equal to 4. Okay, so what is our first question? Probability of 2 boys and 2 girls. So we consider what? X equal to 2. What is second question? Find the probability of at least 1 boy, right? So we consider x greater than or equal to. Okay. What is third question? Third question we consider probability of at most 2 girls. So that is nothing, maximum 2 girls, minimum any number of girls, right? Fourth one is probability of children of both sexes. So here using binomial distribution, we are going to solve the given state. So what is given? So here each family has how many children? 4 children. Okay. So therefore each family, right? So each family having how many children? 4 children. Okay. How many children? Right? So we consider that is n equal to what? 4. Okay. What is second one? So here we assume that what? Assume equal probability for boys and girls. Okay. So I am going to consider let boy boy be what? Success. We consider boys are success. So how many boys are there? We consider equal number of boys. So therefore what? Let small p. Let p be the what? Let p be the probability of probability of what? Boy, probability of success. Okay, so we consider p value is what? 1 by 2. So we know what is formula? P plus q equal to 1. So what about q equal to 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we consider q is 1 by 2. So this is boys, this is what? Girls. Same, let q be the probability of girls. Okay, similarly we take let q be the what? Probability of what? Girls. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because they given assume that equal probabilities for boys and girls. We know p plus q equal to 1. Number of success plus number of girls failures equal to 1. So p plus q 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Okay, so this is given data. Okay, why do we use binomial distribution? Binomial distribution having two parameter, one is n and another one is p. P is nothing but number of success, otherwise number of failures. N is nothing but random sample. Okay, so here each family having 4 children, so that is sample n value is 4. Okay, so that we are going to use what? We the binomial distribution is probability of capital X equal to small x is equal to what? NCX p power q power n minus. Okay, it varies from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Last value is n. Okay, so here we know n value, p value. So substitute here, we get probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to n value is 4. So 4 c p value is 1 by 2 power x, q value is 1 by 2 power what? 4 minus x, n value is 4, comma x varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, n value is 4. So this is our probability mass function. Okay, so this is our mass function. So using this function we are going to find one by one. So what is our first question? First question is what? Probability of 2 boys and 2 girls, right? So question is what? Probability of 2 boys and 2 girls, right? So that is equal to what? How to write mathematical form? Probability of capital X equal to 2. So 2 boys and 2 girls. Okay. So using equation 1, I am going to find what is probability of 2 boys and 2 girls. That is equal to what? N 4 into C. What is small x? X value is 2. So 4C2, right? Into 1 by 2 what? 2. Okay, into 1 by 2 power 4 minus 2. Okay, first you simplify this. That is equal to what? 4C2 1 by 2 power 2. Here 1 by 2 power 2. If base is same, we can add powers. We get what? 4C2 1 by 2 power 4. Okay, so here using calculator we simplify this. What is 4C2? If we simplify this, we get answer is what? 6. 6 into, we can write this 1 by 2 power 4, right? So after simplifications, we get final answer is what? 3 by 8. Here, what is 3 by 8? So each family having 2 boys and 2 girls. How many probability? 3 by 8. Okay. What is our question? Therefore, we are going to find the number of families. What? The number of families with 2 boys. Okay, 2 boys and 2 girls equal to what? So okay, total number of family is 800 into this 3 by 8. This is one family value. So equal to what? We get a 300. So what is second question? Second, we are going to find what? Probability of at least one boy. How many families? At least one boy. Okay, that is nothing. Probability of x greater than or equal to 1. So minimum 1. Maximum how many boys? 4. Okay. So we can write this. How to find this one? There are using x equal to 1, 3, 4. Adding x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You get answer. I am going to write this 1 minus probability of x. Okay, x less than 1. So here how many values are there? X less than 1. So we know small x equal to what? 0, 1, 3, 4. Okay, x less than 1 means we have only one value. That is nothing but 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. First I am going to find the probability of x equal to 0. Probability x equal to 0. That is using equation 1. Using equation 1, right? So here equation 1 is nothing but probability mass function. So we get 1 minus what? NCX. So 4CX, right? So 4 into C0. Okay, 4C0 into 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power what? 4 minus 0. Binomial distribution formula, right? So first if we simplify this, so you get what? 4C0. 4 is NC0. What is NCR formula? NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. 4 factorial by 0 factorial. 0 factorial now 1. 4 factorial means 4 factorial are getting cancelled. You get 1. So 4C0 is nothing but you get 1. Anything power 0, that is also 1. So you get only 1 by 2 power 4. Okay, if we simplify this 1 minus 1 by what? Right? Take LCM. If we take LCM, 16 minus 1, we get what? 15 by 6. Probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so now this is nothing but what? One family value, right? So now I am going to multiply into 800 family. Okay, so therefore what? Number of family, total number of families with how many boys? One boy. Okay, with at least one. Okay, at least one boy is equal to what? 8 and 15. 60. We get 750. Okay, our third question. We are going to probability of what? At most 2 girls, right? At most 2 girls. We can write this what? Probability of at least 2 boys. So both are same. That is nothing but what? Probability of at most 2 girls. We can write probability of x greater than or equal to 2, right? So you x greater than or equal to 2 means how many values? We get 2, 3, 4 and is 1 minus probability of what? X less than 2. Okay. So this is called what? At least two boys, right? So we can write this. First, I will find this value 1 of probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. So using binomial distribution, which means equation 1. What is equation 1? Probability of capital X equal to small is nothing but 4cx 1 by 2 power x 1 by 2 power 4 minus. Okay, so using this formula, we can write this what? 1 minus of what? C0 1 by 2 power 0 1 by 2 power 4 minus 0 no 4 plus 4C1 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1 3. Okay, so first we simplify this, right? So we get 1 4C0, that is what? 1 1 0, that is also 1. So we get here 1 by 2 power 4 plus 4C1. 4C1 can be written as what? 4 only into 1 by 2 power 1 into 1 by 2 power 3. So now by this we get 1 minus here 1 by 2 power what? 4 plus here we get what? 4. If base is same, we can add powers. We get 1 by 2 power 4, right? So now we simplify this, we get final answer, right? So 4 times 1 by 2 power 4, here 1 time, so we get what? 1 minus 5 times of 1 by 2 power. Okay, so what is, how to simplify this? So if you simplify this, so we get 5 into 1 by 2 power 4. 1 by 2 power 4 can be written as what? 1 power 4 now 1, 2 power 4 means 16. Okay, so we take LCM, 16 minus 15, we get what? 11. So 11 by, that is equal to what? Probability of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, that means at most 2 girls, otherwise we can write at least 2 boys. Okay, so we know this is one family. So next we multiply total number of families. The number of families. So the number of families what? With at most, okay, with at most 2 girls, at least 2 boys, equal to what? 800 into 11 by 16, that is equal to what? 550. Okay, this is our third question. What is fourth question? Probability of children of sexes. That is what? We can write same sexes, that is equal to 1 minus probability of what? Children of same sex. Okay, same. Okay, so how many children are there? 4 children. All 4 children are same. Or, sorry, or how many are there? 4 children. All 4 children are boys. Otherwise, what? Or all 4 children are girls. We can write this 1 probability of all girls. Okay, all girls plus probability of all boys. Okay, so we can write this. So either all children are girls, otherwise all children are boys. Okay, how many possibilities are there? Only 2 possibilities are there. Let us consider one possibility is what? All children are boys, otherwise all children are girls. I will consider all children are boys, so that we get what? Probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of what? X equal to 4. Why we get here 4? We consider all children are boys. Sir, I will consider all children are girls, means here you get x equal to 4, here you get x equal to 0. If you add 0 plus 4, you get what? Total number of children. Okay, so hereafter using probability mass function, which means equation 1 probability of capital X equal to x, 4cx 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power x into 1 by 2 power 4 minus x. Okay, substitute here. So x equal to 0. So 4c0 1 by 2 power 0 1 by 2 power 4 plus 4c4 1 by 2 power what? 4 1 by 2 power 4 minus 4 0. Okay, if you simplify this, you get final answer. Now we simplify this 1 minus of what is 4c0, that is equal to 1. anything power 0, that is also 1. So we get only 1 by 2 power 4 plus 4c4, that is also 1. So here you get 1 by 2 power 4, anything power 0, 1. So using calculator, 4c0, 4c, we get answer is 1. So now we simplify this, we get what? That is equal to 1. So here we get 1 by whole power 4. Here also we get 1 by 2 whole power is nothing but 1 minus 2 times of 2 power 4. If we simplify this, we get 1 by 2 by 2 power 4 is 16, right? So 6, 2 6 are getting cancelled. We get what? 1 minus 1 by 16. You take L, you get what? 1. 7 by what? Probability of same children. Okay. Therefore, probability of what? Children are both sexes. Okay, both sexes is what? 7 by 8. So we multiply in the 800 family. Okay, that means what? Therefore, the number of family, the number of families with what? Children of both sexes equal to total number of family 800. 800 into 7 by 8, that is 700. 800 are getting cancelled. How many times? 100. 100 into 7, you get 700. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.